Hello and welcome to this brief Moodle tutorial. My name is Juan Borra and today we're going to see how to set up completion tracking in Moodle. This feature that would add some visuals into your course and help a student understand the activities to be completed and deadlines. So a couple of things we need to look at on how to set it up. The first one is we need to enable completion tracking at the course level. We're going to review the course settings. Secondly, we need to look at each activity we want to track. We're going to have to set it on there, also set up some conditions that needs to be met in order for Moodle to track it. And lastly, we'll briefly look at how to add this block into your course. But let's have a look at the course settings. If I log into Moodle and I pick up this course, you will see here on the right hand side, this is how the completion progress bar will look like. Every activity I have set up to be tracked will come here on this bar by chronological time. So how do we set this up? The first thing is we need to set it up at the course level. So if we go to edit settings on the top right and we scroll down, we are going to see completion tracking. This needs to be enabled. That's the first things. One, we have reviewed the settings at the course level here on the top right. We're going to then be able to access any activity we just want to track. I'm going to show you one activity that is already tracked. For example, this one, this quiz. If I click on there and I review the settings of the quiz, always on the bottom of each activity you will have this activity completion tracking. You can here set up as to not do any activity completion, so that means this item will not be tracked, or whether students can manually do it, or whether you want this activity to be completed when these conditions are met. In my case, I want students to complete this quiz and receive a grade. And we'll also set up what is the expected completion day, in this case 16th of March. Now, something very important to remember is that this date is independent and is separate from the timing of the assignment. So you could have for example, in this case I've got a suggested time to finish it by 16th of March. However, students will still have time till the 1st of April in case somebody cannot make it on time. So once you set that up, let me just cancel this one, then it will be listed on the main course. It will be added onto this completion tracking bar. If you can't see this completion tracking bar, although you have set it up, go into editing on, and then on the bottom you can add this block and you'll be able to add this completion bar. Now it's going to add a second one here, but if you don't have it, that's the way to do it. If you do have any question, contact me at juan.borra@hagahelia.fi. Thanks for watching. Bye.